All right, so this is everything that I got at the Three Rivers Co-op in Fort Wayne. First, I found this plant-based roast with gravy from Big Mountain Food. So that's the same people that made the veggie burger I taste tested. They make the soy-free tofu. It's really good stuff. And I was like, wow, okay. This looks fun. This will be good to have around Thanksgiving time. So I figured, sure, why not? It's going in the freezer anyway. They had my favorite, the Kite Hill tortellini, so I got 2 of those. I got some almond milk because I'm almost out. I got the Califia Farms organic almond milk unsweetened. 5 of the Big Mountain smoked soy-free tofu because, yes, I love this stuff, and the fact that they have the smoked is even better. I got these because I was craving a little snacky junk foody thing, and I love these, the little field roast miniature corn dogs. I got this halva. I really like halva. If you've never had it, it's really, really good. And this is going to be something I eat Friday night because I'm having like a Mediterranean feast because it's Mother's Day weekend. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm going to be eating just whatever I want and being completely lazy and useless. I also found some Ithaca hummus that's lemon dill. So Ithaca has good hummus, and my favorite hummus is a lemon hummus, but lemon dill sounded amazing. So I got that to try. They had a little chocolate cake from Dulce di Maria. It's dairy-free and vegan, super moist chocolate cake. That'll be a nice little treat. Don't know when I'm going to have that, but I'll probably just freeze it. Got some Kite Hill yogurt. So this Greek style one, I'm actually going to be using to make my blended chia seed parfait, the tiramisu flavor. I'm going to put that on top of it and maybe layer it. And got 2 of these Kite Hill Greek style. There's a strawberry and there's a mango. So that sounded fun. Also, I can't find Daiya cheese at Meijer anymore. So they had it there. So I got 1 of each, the cheddar, the Mexican shreds, and the mozzarella. And then the Baby Bell plant-based, they have a new recipe, so I figured I would give it a try again. I really like the white cheddar, but the original was awful. So hopefully that's better. Along with Mother's Day weekend. Well, first I got my favorite, the mature cheddar slices from Violife. That's my favorite slices. My second favorite was the chow, and they had that too. So I got that. Got stuff for a charcuterie board. Or really, it's just going to be a cheese board. Let's be honest about what it is. I got my favorite from the tree line, which is the herb and garlic cashew cheese. These 2 blocks of Daiya, the smoked Gouda and the cheddar. I really like a firm cheese, and these really hit that note for me. And then the nuts for cheese, my favorite flavor from them. I got the black garlic, delicious. I was out of my vegan chicken and vegan beef bouillon, so I got 1 of each of those. So I've had a tomato paste from this brand before and their pasta, but apparently they make a fruit spread, so I got one to try. I got the wild berry, and then I got this Field Day mixed berry fruit spread too, because I always like to have jam on hand for the kiddos. My daughter does not like my homemade peanut butter or my homemade jam. She likes the more sugary stuff you get from the store. So speaking of kids, I got their favorite cereal, the Cascadian Farm Cinnamon Crunch. And my daughter's favorite cookies. They're my favorite too, but I got them for her. The Simple Mills crunchy almond flour cookies. They're basically the same as like a Chips Ahoy. So if you grew up eating Chips Ahoy cookies, you like that, you want that flavor profile, this is exactly like it. And some sourdough croutons for when I'm too lazy to make my own. This one is a really good brand, the Kushi croutons. I got 2 packages of these organic low sodium butter beans from Jack's Quality. I really like these. And then my favorite sodas, quote unquote sodas, the Nixie Classic Cola and the Zevia with no caffeine. I don't like caffeine because I try not to have it at night, and then I like to have one of these at night. So that was what I got from the co-op. Now I'm going to show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's. All right, now for the stuff I got from Trader Joe's. So I got 2 cans of their dolma and 2 cans of their Greek-style chickpeas. It's going to go with my Mediterranean feast that I'm going to have Friday night, as well as this arugula. and the lemon hummus I showed you. It's going to be going with that. And instead of getting pita, I found these Indian style flatbreads that are garlic. And I'm like, that. I'm going to have that. And they're accidentally vegan, so that works. So I got their vegan spinach and cashew ravioli. I always get this every time I go. I'm going to coat this in a pesto. It's going to be delicious. I got another thing of romaine because I need a thing of romaine for my salad tomorrow. On the topic of salads, they had a vegan Caesar dressing and I just wanted to try it. It has tofu in it. It's the same amount of calories as all the other vegan Caesar dressings I've tried. And they also had this green goddess dressing, very low in calories, and I'm very curious to see what that tastes like. So I got that one. I got a block of silken tofu because I plan on making my cookie butter cheesecake. And I need this and I need these. And their cream cheese is the most affordable that I have found anywhere. I needed 2 tubs of that. I used tofu and cream cheese in it. And obviously the cookie butter and stuff, but I'll show you that. I got 2 bags of their shelled edamame because I really like it and it's really affordable. 2 bags of their fire roasted bell peppers and onions. I always get them every time I go. I got a pack of their Korean beefless bulgogi because I love this stuff. Really, really good. I got 2 things of the speculoos cookie butter because that's what I need for my cookie butter cheesecake. And I got 4 packs of speculoos cookies. I don't think I'm going to use all of these, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I got that many. I also got their Italian Bomba hot pepper sauce. I get this for my beans on toast if you guys haven't seen that. I got this bourbon vanilla bean paste because I really liked using it. I used it in a lot of recipes lately and I used all of it up and I really enjoyed it, so I got more of that. I got their tahini because I've been using a lot of tahini lately. And I got their almond butter to try because I'm going to be making my black bean brownie energy bites here soon, and I like to use almond butter in that because the peanut butter flavor is too intense. Now this is my favorite seasoning I get from Trader Joe's every time I go. I also like their umami seasoning, but I didn't need any, and I usually get their everything but the bagel, but I didn't need any. But I use this a lot, especially on burgers, and it is burger season right now, so got some more of that. I got their onion salt because this is really nice too, if you've never tried that. And their green goddess seasoning. I actually really like this on roasted vegetables, specifically potatoes, but it's good on any roasted vegetables. Got some of their vegan marshmallows because it's going to be time for s'mores soon. And I got 2 of their chocolate chips to try because I've been using a lot of chocolate chips lately. They're Trader Joe's 72% cacao dark chocolate chips. And they're semi-sweet chocolate chips. So this one, it doesn't say vegan. It says dairy free. But this one actually says vegan on it somewhere, I think. Or not. It says the same thing, dairy free. But they're both vegan. I got cashew pieces, unroasted, unsalted. Fun fact, cashews are very expensive, but if you get them in pieces, they're cheaper than if you get them whole. So if you're trying to save money. Got some fun snacky things to try. So I saw these and I was like, I have to try them. They look like corn nuts, but gigantic. Giant Peruvian Inca corn snacks. And that just sounded so good. I had to give this a try. They had some freeze-dried figs, which I've never had. And I'm like, I gotta try those. Peanut butter filled pretzels. That's a go-to, a staple. My favorite snack, the spicy tempura seaweed snack. I could smash this whole bag easy. This one is my daughter's favorite. I always get her some when I go. The Bomba, but these ones have the hazelnut cream filling. She is addicted to those. And then if you've never tried this one, you need to give this a try. The peanut butter caramel coated popcorn. I hope they never get rid of this because it is so good. It is addicting. And then, I don't know if you guys have had this, but I used to have these growing up. This is like a vegan version of it. We used to call them Scotcheroos. It's basically like a Rice Krispie treat, but instead of marshmallow, it's peanut butter, and then they're topped with chocolate. And they have these there. And I mean, they're not healthy. They're not high in protein or anything like that, but like it's a little 100-calorie treat for when you just want something a little sweet, and these are really good for that. But yes, that was everything I got from Trader Joe's and from the co-op today. And I hope you guys enjoyed it.